In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add footer to Freshsales emails. In Freshsales, the footer you see at the bottom of your one-to-one emails is controlled by your email signature. Once you set it up, Freshsales can automatically pre-fill that signature whenever you compose an email, which helps you stay consistent and saves time. To begin, look at the top right corner of your Freshsales screen and click your profile icon. A small menu will open. From that menu, select Personal Settings. This is where Freshsales keeps the options tied to your individual user account, including the email signature used for messages you send directly. After you are in Personal Settings, find and open the Email Settings tab. Email Settings is where you can control how Freshsales handles your outgoing messages, and it is also where you create or update the signature that appears as your footer. Now scroll down until you see the Email Signature section. This is the area where you can build the footer exactly the way you want it to appear at the bottom of every one-to-one email. You can type plain text, such as your name, role, and company details. You can also add links, like a website or scheduling link, if that fits your workflow. If you want to include a brand element, you can insert images or logos by clicking the image icon in the editor. When you add an image, keep it clean and appropriately sized so your emails load quickly and look professional across different devices. It also helps to keep the signature concise, since very long signatures can push the main message up and make emails harder to read. Once your signature looks the way you want, click Save. From this point forward, Freshsales will automatically pre-fill that signature in your one-to-one emails, so your footer is already there when you start writing. That covers everything you need to know.